Right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for taking your time to join us tonight, just for this brief overview about X3 Matrix, the pre-launch presentation only. All right, so what is this X3 Matrix actually? It's a low entry and a fast flowing matrix on the OPBNB blockchain. It's managed by a smart contract. So the core message is that we are testing this live with real smart contract interaction. So this is not fake money that we are using or test BNB. This is real BNB that you can exchange for real fiat currency as well. All right, so the beta participants can understand the routing. This is the main thing, the main reason. So as to understand this clearly, to understand the routing, how the smart contract distributes the funds, the payments, and how the users flow, how this whole matrix is working, and also the duplication before we're going to start launching it to the public worldwide. It has already been reached a couple of continents, but small teams at this moment. So yes, the entry cost is only 0.001 BNB. Yes, that is not even $1. It's today 64 cents. Right, the requirement basically is, excuse me, each position needs to refer two directs to the link as well, and it's managed or it's run by the OPBNB network. And this is currently in the pre-launch phase. Right, so this presentation, there is no promise of any income, and there's nothing can be guaranteed, or no results can be guaranteed in this pre-launch phase as well. Right, this presentation is for educational purposes only. So, and that is why I need to read you this disclaimer, this general disclaimer. This presentation is for pure educational and informational purposes only, right? I'm not a financial tax advisor, a legal advisor, or investment broker. So this is not financial advice, investment advice, tax advice, or any legal advice. And there is no guarantees of any results. Right, so X3 is a live smart contract matrix concept currently being observed in a controlled pre-launch environment. Right, so any participation is voluntary and depends on the smart contract activity, wallet setup, referrals activity, timing, network conditions, which includes the internet, obviously, and individual decisions. Right, so crypto and smart contracts carry their own inherent risks. Always do your own research and only participate with funds that you can afford to lose. Do not go and sell your house and your car and be irresponsible with managing your funds. Right, so past and early beta test activity does not guarantee future outcomes. And this is the reason why we are testing this to see what is working and where we can fine-tune it. The code, we cannot make any changes to the code because that is immutable. But we can, however, try and figure out how this smart contract works on the user interface on the website, which can be changed and can be used for us to understand this concept and how the smart contract code is working. And then right at the bottom here, the Bible tells us in Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5, that we must keep ourselves from the love of money. Keep our lives free from the love of money. So we are not chasing money, but everyone on this earth needs income to survive on a daily basis. So you must keep that in mind as well. All right. We are not making a god of money, but we do need that, and we need to manage that responsibly. Right, so let's look further on here. Why is X3 positioned as a pre-launch? So the system is already live, but the community is still validating to understand the flow and to make sure they understand it properly before we go bigger in a proper launch, official launch. So there's no need that we start launching and the members do not understand it. And there's misunderstandings, because that is a very crucial thing for platforms like this, is proper understanding and make sure that everyone understands not to promote it incorrectly, and not to, yes, that we can make sure everything is running 100%, everyone is on the same page and understands how it works. Right, so it's a live beta testing, so this is not a demo or simulation. We're testing it with real money. The system is being tested with real BNB, real wallet interactions, and real BNB transactions. Right, because it's a very low cost as well. And this is a learning phase as well for many of the members, especially those that has no knowledge of cryptocurrencies or smart contracts for that matter. So the current focus is to observe the payment routing, to improve the user interface, in other words, the website, your dashboard, and to help members to understand the mechanics properly. So you can think for yourself in your own job, in your own, wherever you are. If you have a proper understanding of what you need to do, everything just goes much smoother and it's much easier. All right, so the beta testers may keep, or not may keep, they can keep all the proceeds already received in this beta testing phase, this pre-launch phase. Right, but future results depend on contract activity, and nothing can be guaranteed in this platform. All right, so we are not testing fake money. We are testing the understanding, the routing, and the user interface for clarity and the duplication behavior before we're going to go public with this promotion of X3. Right, so I need to remind all of those who will be testing this. This is very important. We're calling it a live beta testing or pre-launch. We do not present it as guaranteed income or any risk-free earning opportunity, right? Because there is always some risk, inherent risk in anything in life and in this space, right? So do not promote it as guaranteed, although we know that the smart contract is immutable and it will execute according to the codes written in the smart contract. Nothing can prevent it from not activating those codes, except for the internet completely shutting down. Right, so let's look at the system overview quickly. It's a very low entry smart contract matrix concept built for simple duplication and transparent routing. Right. Low entry, you already saw it's 0.001 BNB. The network is OP-BNB blockchain. Entry is 0.001 BNB. Now remember, the entry, the value of BNB will always stay the same. So when BNB increases in value, so will the entry cost as well. But also with that, will your payout increases accordingly. So yes, it's basically a double-edged sword at that moment. So there's duplication that we are doing here. You need to, the code is written that everyone has to refer to direct payments before they can start receiving spillover payments, right? And then the structure, it's what we have seen now is either a tripod where you register 2 positions under yourself, or a 7-position setup, which gives you a very strong foundation to start with, right? But that's totally optional. We are still testing that. Right, and then the routing, there's spill-ups, there's direct dividends, there's automatic upgrades, there's spill-downs, there is recycles on each level, and these actions are done according to the contract flow, which we are testing at this moment, which is operating fine. As I said, the smart contract cannot be changed. It does operate like that. There again is the entry fee of 0.001 BNB, and that will never ever change. So when BNB increases in value, so will the entry fee in fiat currency. Currently, it's 64 US dollar cents and just about 11 Rand in South Africa. So yeah, BNB value does change on a daily basis. So always verify the live wallet and the network cost before you participate in this smart contract, and before you promote this as well. Right now, the suggestion is to come in from the start with a 7-position tripod, basically 7 positions directly under your first position. So position 1 starts the structure and it should place 2 directs under each position below that then. So each of those 2 directs positions then also needs their 2 directs. And you will basically have 7 positions in total under your in your own mini tree then. Right, so all the positions must not be registered in one line under one ID. Everyone must register on a different, make sure that each position has got 2 directs. So that's why you will register your first one, 2 on the first one, and then again 2 each on those 2, and then you will have 7. Right, so how is the payments distributed by this smart contract code? So your matrix will look like this. There's 14 positions on each level. So you have 12 levels, level 1 to 12. And this is what every level looks like, the matrix of that. This is you at the top where you are positioned. Your first direct that comes in, that funds goes up 1 level to your upline, the one on the left side. So that is position number 1. Position number 2 is on your right, directly below you on your first level. And that payment moves up 2 levels above you to your upline's upline. Right, the green positions, they are going directly to your wallet. That is your payment to keep. So while we are doing this testing phase, that is also funds that you are going to keep while we are testing this. So 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is your direct payments on cycle 1. There's a second cycle as well where you get 7 payments. We're coming to that now. Right, and then position 4 and 5 always upgrades you in this first cycle. Position 4 and 5 together will upgrade you because it's basically double to the next level. Every level doubles in upgrade fees and in costs as well. So position 4, 0.001 is kept by the smart contract. As soon as position 5 comes in, it gets added to 4 and it gives you 0.002 BNB, which automatically upgrades you as soon as 5 hits your board. And then you will be upgraded to level 2 as well, instantly. Right? These payments are sent to your wallet directly, instantly. You do not have to ask for withdrawals. So position 6 goes to your wallet again. Position 7 goes 1 level down to a qualified member below you. So what qualifies you is there's only one qualification needed, and that is that if you have 2 directs already referred with your link. So then that position number 7 payment will go 1 level down in your direct tree, tree as well. Right. Position 8 and 9 goes directly to your wallet instantly. Position 10 also goes 1 level down to your downline to support your downline. Position 11 and 12 goes to your wallet again. Position 13 goes 2 levels down to pay your down or to support your downline. And you will see sometimes you will even pay that or support yourself with that same payment. Right, position 14 is where the magic happens. This is your recycle button back or position back into the same level. So this is level 1, and you've completed position 14. You will come back into level 1. You already upgraded to level 2 because your 5th position has landed. It has upgraded you automatically to level 2 for free, basically. Right, and when you get to position 14 is completed, you get a re-entry back into level 1 again. And that is explained to you with different color codes here as well. Right, and it's like that on the dashboard. And if there's time, I'll also go there, which is explained here as well. This color, the orange, spells up. That's 1 and 2. Your direct dividend is green, and then the auto upgrade is in white. Spill down is in the red, and the recycle position number 14 is in yellow. Right, so X3 is designed to route different positions through specific actions. So some are going up, some pay you directly, some support your auto upgrade, and the others support your downline by spilling down, and then also the recycle of position 14. right? We need to understand this because the first time we saw this, we couldn't completely, we had to live test it and do it manually to see exactly how the payments are working. Right, so as I said, there's two different cycles. On the first cycle, let me just move this. You build the member, the first cycle builds the member's next earning level automatically. So you will, basically, this is your foundation. This is your foundation of your first level. Everything is going to start from here. Everybody must come in at level 1, cycle 1. You cannot jump levels. The only way is for you to upgrade, and that's by entering level 1. As soon as you hit position 5, it will auto upgrade you to level 2 as well. Right, so the first cycle is to upgrade the building cycle. So position 4 and 5, as I explained, that position 4 gets held by the smart contract until you receive position 5's funds, and that when it comes together, it is enough to upgrade you to the next level. So that then direct payments on cycle 1 is 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12. And position 14 will recycle you back into that same level. Now you are re-entered into the next cycle already, cycle number 2. So here's the difference now. Now here is 6 payments directly to you on the first cycle. On the second cycle and later cycles, there is 7 payments that's going to go directly to you. Right, and remember, each level upgrades doubles, basically, so it's 0.001, then 0.002, then 0.004, and so it carries on until level 12, where you get to 2.048 BNB. Right, and you're going to receive that on level 12, you're going to receive that 7 times as well. Right, so on cycle number 2, position 4 will now go to the royal pool. And we will discuss that royal pool in a short while as well. So position 5 will now become a direct payment to your wallet. So that makes now 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 direct payments to you. As opposed to cycle 1, you only get 6 payments. On cycle 2, you get 7 payments. Right, position 14 is still going to continue to recycle you back into the same level. So take note, you do not have to take funds out of your pocket again to upgrade. All is funded by the participation of the team and the whole community. Right, so very important, on level 12, there is no next upgrade. So position 4 does not need to upgrade funds there. Right. You will just keep on recycling on each and every level when position 14 is completed. So yes, first cycle, upgrade building cycle, basically. So 4 positions, position 4 holds your BNB, and until you get position 5 lands on your board, that will trigger the upgrade automatically. You don't have to push any button or manually upgrade. The smart contract does that for you. Number 3, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12 is going to go straight to your wallet. You don't request any withdrawals. It gets paid straight to your wallet immediately, instantly. And then number 14 will recycle you back into the system. Right, the first cycle builds your next level. It's not only about the cash flow, it's about automatic progression first. So remember, we're testing this and we need to get to understand it properly before we launch it to the bigger communities worldwide. Right, so on cycle 2, this is just broken down on the subsequent cycles. You're getting paid 7 times. I'm going to move this. Right, 7 times as opposed to cycle number 1. So this is what's going to happen. Position 4, and that's the only difference here. Position 4 is now going to the royal pool. That is a weekly prize that will accumulate, and it will pay out each and every week for the person that referred the most direct referral. All right, so then number 5 on the second, there's no need for another upgrade now because you have been upgraded already. So you're just going to recycle in the same level, level 1, because you're already on level 2. So position number 5 is going to be paid out to your wallet directly now. Right, so position 4 goes to the royal pool, position 5 becomes a direct payment. So now you receive 6 payments instead of, or 7 payments instead of 6 payments like on cycle 1. Now your direct payment positions are in cycle 1 compared to cycle 2. In cycle 2, you're going to receive 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, and 12. And position 14 recycles you back into that level again. Right, the simple line, the first cycle is automatic progression. Following cycles, it's recurring cycle income and royal pool participation. Right, so and then these 3, 7, 10, and 13 is going to support your downline, your direct downline. Right, I'll just get this. Here is some live testing results from today. So what we did, this one position registered his own, basically his own matrix here of all these positions, 14 positions. There is 2 different matrices that has been added to this smart contract. This one on the right is the one that is paying you. The one on the left we've added just to make it understand as we understand it, because this is totally different from what we normally understand. And that's what we're trying to get under our proper understanding, so we can know exactly how this is working. All right. So this is, you can see it's 14 out of 14 on this person's matrix, on this position. So each position dashboard looks like this. You've got these 2 different matrices. The one is your direct referral tree that we all know and understand, because this is you and your 2 directs, left and right, and they 2 directs left and right, and he's 2 directs left and right, and all the way down. And you can see right below the number, it is indicated 2 directs and with a tick mark. The ones at the bottom still needs to refer the 2 directs. Right, it is in the red and it shows 0 directs with an X. Right, so, and this is what the payout matrix looks like. So 575 landed in the same position, 578 landed in the same position. That's number 2, 1 and 2. But remember now, number 1 goes up to your upline, the payment. Number 2 goes to your second upline. Right now, let's compare. Number 581 landed, it was 575's first direct. 581 is 575's first direct here as well. This paid the owner of this tree, basically. So that's position 3 according to the payout logic. That 581 was the first payment to the owner. Right, then 587 came in. And you see now, 583 is not here, it's missing. So 587 moved into that position, number 4. So the smart contract holds on to that funds. And when 599 came in, which is right here below 581, the second direct, that upgrade was triggered. So that is why this person was upgraded. Only when 599 came in, that this position was upgraded and he's already on level 2. Right, then 609 paid him, 615 went 1 level down, and 623 also paid him. So he received 1, 2, 3 payments already. Next one is also due to him. Then there's another downline support, and then 2 more payments outstanding, then a downline support, and then a recycle back into the system. So it does not mean that when your 14, your direct referral tree is completely full, that this payout matrix will also be full as well. That is what we are still testing. All right, so your referral tree shows your relationship and your duplication structure only. Right, so the payout matrix shows the smart contract processes positions for payments, spillovers, upgrades, and recycling. All right, so yesterday there was a person that registered, and that fell in this position number 7, and that payment went 4 places, 4 different matrices, because that payment can fall in a spill down position or in a spill up position. That's the reason why this is not completely filling like this one, right? So that specific example of yesterday, the place or the spillover fell in this position number 7, and it was moved to 4 different boards like this before it came to land, and it paid that person on position number 6. And it was, I think, 3 levels above him. All right, so what does this screenshot tell us? And this is the screenshot of the level 2. This from here, from this, 2 positions were moved to level 2 already. So 572 and 575 went to level 2 with these positions. You can see the 572 and 575. And the main thing is that he's got 2 directs. You will not see a position that doesn't have any directs on level 2. So that is very crucial. The first thing we have to do is get your 2 referrals as quick as possible to be able not to miss payments, because when payments are missed, they're either routed to the first eligible upline or it goes to the treasury fund. Right, so that's your first thing that we know that is working. There's no other way around it. You need to have 2 referrals, because you will not be upgraded to your next level if you don't receive payments. And for you to receive payments, you must have referred 2 people at least, or 2 positions at least, not necessarily people. Most members come in and they qualify themselves by registering 3 positions or more. Right, so 1 position can show 14 out of 14 referral structure, while the payout shows a different full count, and this is where most people are getting confused. Right, so it means that the contract routing activity, according to its payment logic, it's not merely copying the referral tree and just position for position on the matrix. Some positions may be processed as direct dividends, spill ups, spill downs, automatic upgrades, recycles, and next level activity. And as I explained, it all depends on where that position falls. If it falls here, it will be moved by the contract, and you don't know what is going up on above or below you and where what that matrix looks like, because it might land on a position that is a spill up or a spill down, and then it can also land on a position where it's an upgrade. So that is why it is getting influenced by and not looking like this one on the left. Right, and to get that sorted out, you must go and do it physically. You must go and trace it physically. But other than that, the system works or the smart contract works exactly as it is coded. Right, so the simple explanation is your referral tree is those who sits directly under you. Those people that you referred and that who they have referred. The payout matrix is how the smart contract routes the value and the movement, right? And that is what we are testing at this moment to make sure that we understand it 100%. Right, so official mechanic message for all the beta tester members and pre-launch members. And this is what we need to understand. There's 2 very important views that we need to understand, and that's the difference between the referral tree and the payout matrix. Right, the referral tree shows the relationship structure. As I said now, your first 2 directs, their 2 directs, and the visible team in your direct downline, your direct tree as we know a matrix, traditional matrix. The payout matrix, however, shows the smart contract routing, which positions create either direct dividend flow, spill ups, spill downs, or auto upgrades, and also the recycling positions. Right, so a position may therefore show 14 out of 14 on your referral tree, but it will show a different count and activity on your payout matrix. Right, as I showed you in the slide above. Right, because the contract is processing positions according to the contract rules. Right, it doesn't mean that the positions are not there, because as you can see there, you can see 623 is landed there, but 620 is missing. 615, there's 615. Right, 612 is missing. And then 609, there's 609 again. And then 599, there's 599, 597. 597 is not there. Right, so you can see 597 is missing. It's here on your referral tree, but it's not on this payout tree. Right, so now how do you find out where you need to go and trace it physically? And on your back office, there is a function for everyone to do that. Right, so please do not get confused between the placement visibility and the payout routing. In other words, the matrix, the referral matrix and the payout matrix. Right, so how to manage a live testing phase to the fullest. And this is what makes it different from other beta testers or live testing phases, that here you can earn and keep the funds in the live testing beta phase as well, pre-launch. It will also position you to get in early because it's only reached about 600, just above 600 positions in about 6 days. But we are testing it we need the numbers to make sure that everything runs smoothly and that we do understand it. All right. So you need to promote this correctly, and that's very, very crucial and very important. All right. Use the terms correctly. Referral tree does not equal placement. It doesn't mean that if it falls into your visible referral tree, you will get paid on that position, because you must look at the payout matrix and the contract rules as well. So we need to create a simple log, and this is what we are doing now. As you can see, that this is one example of what we are testing at this moment. There are more that we will put out on the groups and explain to the members how this is working exactly. So yeah, we're going to make more videos and explain the videos, and as we get more evidence of how the contract works or such classic examples, we will share it. Right, and then the tripod is, or the 7 position strategy is totally optional. It's just recommendations from what we've seen is working for most members, because most they come in and because of the cost that is so low, they qualify themselves or they add more positions. Right, there's also no limit to the number of positions you can register. Each position just needs its own wallet. That is very crucial. Right, so please ask those interested to use the official presentation, or if you want to promote this and explain this to others, do not make assumptions and use the official presentation. So this is the official live testing pre-launch presentation for this moment. It will change obviously as we continue and carry on further, and when we get to live launch or the official launch, it will change again, but this is the official pre-launch presentation. Right, so the contract behavior must be predictable, explainable, and it must be support ready. So in other words, it just means we need to understand it 100%. Well, not 100%, but as close as we can. Right, because we already have 600 plus positions. And that's the biggest risk, because if you're going to duplicate it incorrectly, then the message will get out incorrectly and people will get despondent. Right, so before a wider launch, we're going to document enough real examples, as I said already, to explain the mechanics as we discover more features of how we can try to figure it out and work it out the easiest way to trace the payments, because on the live dashboard, it also tells you when you receive payment, where does it come from, and the reason why it was paid to you. Right, or anything that happens in your matrix tree is explained to you there as well. Right, so what do you get when you participate in this pre-launch phase? or when you basically become a beta tester, right? You get to keep the proceeds from the testing phase as well. That's the biggest benefit for you, right? Remember that nothing is guaranteed of future results. With what we are testing now, it doesn't mean it's guaranteed to work like that in the future. But the smart contract is immutable. It cannot be changed. The website user interface can be changed and tweaked and improved. But the smart contract code cannot, meaning that the payout sequence cannot be changed. Right? Or the values or anything like that cannot be changed. And you will help us to improve the launch, obviously. The current goal is to test understanding the user interface clarity, the onboarding, and the duplication before we promote this very wider. Right, so we need to get into this mindset. We're going to learn first, test it responsibly. In other words, make sure you promote it or share it responsibly, not with any guaranteed results, because nothing can be guaranteed, and explain it clearly as well and avoid any hype. All right, so no one needs or should participate because you are feeling pressure. This is, you've got your own free will. You decide what you want to do. Right, every person should understand wallet safety. This is very important. The last couple of weeks, many people have gotten quite serious issues with their wallet safety because they either did not back up their seed phrase or they were irresponsible and they just deleted the wallets. Right, so now the money is sitting on the blockchain and they cannot get hold of it. Or they just lost the 12 words, they didn't write it down, they didn't back up the wallet. Right, now, smart contract risk, there is risk involved in that. And your safety is obviously number one in any platform.